Hey guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a blur image to a clear image. So first search fakewish.com. Now it will open this site. Now go to features. It has more features too, like background remove, enlarge, compress, crop, and many more. Go to photo enhance. It's 100% free, you can see. Go to upload image and upload a blurry image. So this side is the real image, as you can see, and this side is the second image. That is, you can see this ear is coming in that part. You can see it is very beautifully enhanced. So you can see this. That's it for the video. I will give the website link in the description if you don't find it. Bye. We can download it from here. Bye.